Now we have the fourth question. Here the fourth question is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of a shadow of a tree is equal to the height of the tree is. So here listen, we have a tree and we have the shadow of the tree. So let us take this be the ground level and this be the tree. So this is the tree. And now what we are going to do is we are going to take this as the shadow of the tree. And now it is given that we have to find the angle of elevation. So here listen, this is the tree and this is the shadow of the tree. But we know that the length of the shadow of the tree is equal to the height of the tree. So if this length, that is if the height of the tree is x, then the length of the shadow is also equal to what? X. Now what we have to do, we have to find out this angle of elevation, that is we have to find out the value of this angle. So this is what the question. So here we are going to take this as the right triangle ABC because this is right angle. So here we know that this AB represents tree and this BC represents the shadow of the tree. By using the given condition, we know that the height of the tree is equal to the length of the shadow, so therefore AB will be equal to BC. So if we take this AB as x, then we get that this AB equal to x as well as this BC is also equal to x. Now here we have to find out this angle, so let us take this be the angle theta. So now in this triangle, what will be the value of tan theta? Here the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is BC. So we have tan theta equal to AB by BC. We know that the length of AB is x and the length of BC is also x, hence we get x by x which is equal to 1. So this means what? This means we get tan theta equal to 1. But we already know that by using the table, tan 45 degree must be equal to 1. This means what? This means the value of theta will be equal to 45 degree. So this is what the angle of elevation of the sun. Hence out of these four options, option C 45 degree is the required answer. And now we have the fifth question. Here the question is, an observer 2 meter tall is 10 into root 3 meter away from a tower. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the tower is 30 degree. The height of the tower is. So here listen, let us take this be the ground level. And now let us take this be the tower. That is we are going to take the position of tower be AB. So here this AB represents the tower. And now it is given that there is an observer whose height is 2 meter, isn't it? So now let us take this be the position of the observer CD. So here this CD represents the observer. And now what is the height of the observer? It is 2 meter. And now it is given that the observer is 10 into root 3 meter away from the tower. This means this distance BD will be equal to what? 10 into root 3 meter. Now the angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the tower. Here we know that this will be the position of eye of an observer. So now from this point the angle of elevation here is 30 degree. But here we know that this will be the line of sight, isn't it? Because if he had his eyes at this position, then this will be the line of sight. So this angle will be the angle of elevation which is 30 degree. So drawing the diagram is very important here. So this is what the given angle 30 degree. And now by using this, what we have to find? We have to find out the height of the tower AB. Now we know that this length is 2 meters. So therefore this length will also be equal to what? 2 meters. And now we have to find out this length alone. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take this point as E. So now we have one right triangle, that is this angle will be 90 degree because this angle is 90 degree. So therefore with the line of sight also the tower makes the right angle 90 degree. So now we have a right triangle AEC. Now in right triangle AEC, what we are going to do is we are going to find out the value of tan 30 degree. Here we know that if BD equal to 10 into root 3 meter, then this EC must also be equal to this same 10 into root 3 meters, isn't it? Because both are one and the same. So therefore this EC equal to 10 into root 3. Now let us take this AE be the length. Now let us take this AE equal to H. So now tan 30 degree in this right triangle will be equal to what? The opposite side of this 30 degree is AE. So we get tan 30 degree equal to this AE by this EC. Now this is equal to what? The value of AE here is H and the value of EC here is 10 into root 3. So we get tan 30 degree equal to H by 10 into root 3. What is the value of tan 30 degree? We know that by using the table it will be equal to 1 by root 3. So this is equal to H by 10 into root 3. So therefore, by using this equation 1 by root 3 equal to h by 10 into root 3, we are going to get the required value h. So now if we do the cross multiplication, then we get 1 into 10 root 3, we get 10 root 3, and h into root 3, h root 3. Now if we bring this root 3 to the opposite side, we get 10 into root 3 divided by root 3 equal to h, and if we divide these two values, we get 10 as the required answer, that is the value of h is 10. But here we have to find out the height of the tower. But we know that the height of the tower is this whole length AB. So if we want the value of AB, then we have to add this AE and this EB. So therefore this AB will be equal to AE plus EB. So this AE is nothing but h, which is 10 meters, plus what is the value of EB? We know that if this is 2 meters, then this is also equal to 2 meters. Hence the length of EB is 2 meters. So 10 plus 2 will be equal to what? 12 meters. Hence the height of the tower will be equal to option B, 12 meters. So this is the correct answer. And now we are going to see the sixth question.